All right, guys, so we're going to make these adorable fur slides. They are so cute, so trendy, and they are so inexpensive to make. They're just a fraction of the cost that you would pay in the department stores for all the top designers, and they look fabulous. You just need a few simple things, and we're gonna go ahead and just get started. So you need a pair of flip-flops. And I'm just using these Old Navy. You can use brand new flip-flops, used flip-flops, whatever. And you're going to need 2 pieces of your choice of fur fabric, but you can also use, if you have like a blanket, something that has a little more substance to it. We're going to be keeping on this thong, these thong pieces. We're going to be putting the fur right over the flip-flop, and it gives you a little bit extra support. Okay, you're gonna need 2 pieces of these that are cut 8 inches by 4 inches, 8 inches in length by 4 inches, 2 pieces. And then you're going to need your choice of decorations and embellishments. You've got beautiful rhinestone pieces, or maybe you wanna do flowers or pearls, whatever floats your boat. We're going to decorate them in the end. Okay, real simple to do. We're going to start by placing our foot inside the flip-flop, and let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so you're going to take any flip-flop. I'm using just this Old Navy flip-flop. I'll leave a link for some other sources, and the piece that you just cut, okay, of fur or other material. Go ahead and place your foot inside, and you're going to just measure from the tip right here to the edge, okay? And you're going to just take your hand and you're going to hold it like this, and you're going to cut right there with your scissors, just like that. You're going to see it's going to kind of curve down a little bit, okay? And then you're just going to clip this one little side right here. So you're going to take this, that is going to be your pattern, and it's going to look like this, something like this. And you're going to cut 2 of these. Okay, now we're going to glue. Okay, so now I am going to heat up my glue gun right here. You need a really industrial type glue gun. If you don't have one, that's fine. Use a small home one, but the industrial one stays much better. And you're going to take that pattern that you just made from your first one, and you're going to cut. So you have the second piece, the second flip-flop. Put one on top of the other and cut. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and remember how you put that on. And we're going to simply glue. So let's go ahead and start where, first we're going to measure where we want the slide, which is right around the toe, from the tip of the toe. And you're going to be gluing this part right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Start with the glue right here. Watch out, it's super hot. Go ahead and put one piece here, just like that. And here's the second piece. Oops. There's your second piece right there. Voila. Super hot, so be careful. Okay, that's one. Let's do the other one. Now you notice, remember how the part that tapers in, we're going to make sure that's on the outside. Here's your second one. Let's go ahead and do that first. This is super hot because I have the industrial one, but it really does stay nice. You can adjust it too if you need to adjust it again to make it like a little bit tighter. If it looks like it's just still a little too high, you can cut it a little bit more, but we're just gonna go ahead and do this like that. All right. Now, the fun part to decorate, once you've got this in, just hold the glue down for a few minutes and let's have fun decorating. I think I'm going to do, so I love this. I love this look, but right now I only have one of these, so we're not going to use this one, but if you had a pair, that would be awesome. This is super cute, but I think I'm gonna do, just gonna do a couple pearls, like random pearls. So again, you just wanna take some glue and just start gluing the pearls randomly or whatever you want. This kind of has like a little, more like a luxury type look. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I've seen these slides and I personally have sold them in my boutique for $165. Ones with the real nice leather and rhinestones, and these are just so cute and so fun, especially if we're all staying home right now and we want our feet to look pretty. And of course, I'm doing this really kind of fast, but you want to take your time. Take all this off, and voila, these are your gorgeous luxury slides. All right guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and leave a comment, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.